Hey guys, so today we are doing the meshing. We're going to put the mesh. We are going to complete this cage today. So those are the things we are doing today, just to update you on how we are moving. So we've already measured the mesh. This is one of the strongest mesh, as you have seen in the video. One of the strongest meshes. This one is not a monkey wire. I opted for this one because it's strong and durable, not like the monkey wire. So this is very much okay. I think for the flooring that we need for. So now we are going to start tying it up. Use the cable ties to tie the whole thing.
Yeah, Symmetry Farm. Yeah, yeah, you know the name. Let's go, let's go. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Little chicks, big birds, yeah, we getting to the pay. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Symmetry Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Turn a feather to a fortune, that's the hustle in the way. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Symmetry Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. Peak up early, hear the crow, I'm already on the grind. Check the coop, check the feed, profit always on my mind. Count the flock, do the math, every number gotta shine. If it ain't adding to the bag, I leave that story behind. Got the boot in the mud, but my vision in the sky. Turn a little box of chicks to a business that can fly. Neighbors used to laugh, now they asking me for advice. I just point them to the work, every sunrise is a price. Feed right, he right, yeah, I study every stage. From a crumb to a crate, I'm just turning every page. Got receipts in the folder, got the future on the line. Every beady little eye, that's a sign. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Little chicks, big birds, yeah, we get into the pay. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Symmetry Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Turn a feather to a fortune, that's the hustle in the way. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Symmetry Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. Phone ping, new order, got the buyers on my line. I don't brag, I deliver, let the product do the shine. Clean crates, clear books, every detail looking right. From the gate to the truck, it's a checklist every night. I remember first day, just a bag in a dream. Now it's payroll, feed bills, whole fam on the team. Mama see the cash flow, tell me keep that focus tight. So I pray on the path, then I hustle till it's light. This is patience in the pen, this is faith with a chart. Every week I reinvest, every setback is a start. I'm just growing what I know, turn a lesson to a win. From the hatch to the hand, that's the story of the spin. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Little chicks, big birds, yeah, we getting to the pay. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Symmetry Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Turn a feather to a fortune, that's the hustle in the way. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan.
Hello guys, so now we want to put the outer layer. Since we are done with the mesh, which is for the flowing. So now we are going to do the outer layer. It's what we are going to do now, since we are done with this.
Yeah, 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 yeah. From the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Oh yeah, early morning, hear the crow, yeah, the hustle never sleeps. Brooding heat, clean water, strong foundation that we keep from the old chicks we nurture. Watch them grow step by step, healthy flock, no stress. Every detail that we check, from the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey. Record waves, count the feed, every number gotta show. Fresh shavings, clear, that's the way lead bodies grows. And neighbors ask, what's your trick? I just smile and shake their hand. It's the care and the crowd, turning passion into land.
So now I'm doing the sides. I'm done with the back, the one that I started with. So now we do the side. So this plastic you are seeing is our demarcation, because we don't need air to go this side. They will hot air. Like when we are brooding, we don't need heat to go the other side. This is what you are seeing. This is plastic you are seeing. Actually, I had to put this plastic to just demonstrate, like trying to. I was just trying out a charcoal brisket, like brooding box, was charcoal brooding. So
Stacking crates, loading home, see the skyline in the dust. Family hands on the work, building futures out of trust. When the sun goes down slow, we still plotting out the run. Cause the barn and the book say the best is yet to come. Yeah. From the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan.
this is it. So here I'm done with this one. So now I'm going to do the other side. Side here we are done. Go and do the other side. Then after here we do the front part. Yeah.
Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey, poultry life, poultry life, poultry life, poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Yeah, 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 poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey, poultry life, poultry life, poultry life, poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Yeah, 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 poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey, poultry life, poultry life.
A few moments later.
Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand.